Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to this channel and you're not going to want to miss any of the free content we're going to be releasing. Let's talk about top of mind awareness by playing a game, and I need you to tell me the first brand you think of when I mention the following. If I ask you to tell me the first thing you think of when I say cell phone, I'm sure there's over a 90% chance of you guys out there thought about Apple. If I ask you what's the first thing you think of when I say coffee, I'm willing to bet you thought of Starbucks, and if you're on the East Coast of the United States, you probably also thought of Dunkin' Donuts. The idea is you need to be the first thing people think of when they think of whatever product or service you offer. If you have a tangible physical product, you want to become a generic or household name. There's actually a word for this phenomenon, and it's called genericization. I probably butchered that, but the idea is these are trademark names that became household names. So here's some other examples. So when you say Google something, you really mean search online, but Google is a company. If you're asking someone to Xerox something for you, Xerox is a brand of a photocopy machine. So Xerox really means, in essence, photocopy something. And this one I didn't know, but chapstick, I thought every lip balm was chapstick, but chapstick is actually a brand name. And here's another one I didn't know. A Band-Aid is actually another brand name, but what you really mean is an adhesive bandage. So according to Wiki, with respect to a trademark, the act or process of becoming so widely identified as a reference for a type of product as to cease representing a particular brand or manufacturer of that type of product. So moving forward in the following presentation, everything I'm going to talk about is geared toward having that top of mind awareness. If someone in my life needs a photographer, I want them to think of me and my business Next Level Photo first. I'm going to use Next Level Photo as an example again later throughout this presentation, because in the past, friends and family have forgotten that I was a photographer, and that's because I didn't have that top of mind awareness. So check out the next series of videos and I'll walk you through the things you need to do so you could be on the top of everybody's brain when it comes to your product or service. The video you've just watched is part of a larger presentation named The Blueprint: How to Attract and Retain Customers Online. And right now I know most of us are struggling, so to be of service to you guys, I'm gonna keep it super affordable, and I'm gonna give you the exact blueprint of everything from coming up with a name, designing a website, and everything you need to know to come up with your own business. And right now things are screeching at a halt. Right now it is April 3rd, and in a couple of weeks, maybe in a couple of months, things are gonna get booming again. And if you join me on the journey now, take my hand, I promise you, you'll be in a better place in a couple of months. So if you would like to purchase and download the full video presentation or PDF version of this presentation, visit rocketitmedia.net/the-blueprint or go to the link in the description below. Also be sure to join our mailing list, as you'll be kept up to date whenever we release new videos and ideas that can help your business. And finally, if you need help implementing any of the topics I've covered for your business, feel free to reach out anytime, and operators are standing by.